welcome back to my channel and to another video. Now this video is a little bit different. I want to do a thrift haul. Yeah, I'm still shy to vlog in public, but this is a collection of everything that I got. I went to two different places. The first place I got cardigans, and the second place I wanted things to flip, that is curtains, bed sheets and things like that. So let's take a look at everything that I got. I'm going to start off with the cardigans, and the first one is this beautiful pink cardigan that I'm wearing right now. It's really long, the buttons are really low, but I want to take off some buttons from the bottom and have them at the top, probably right here. But other than that, the sleeves are really long, and it is really long and has pockets as well. So this is how it looks. It's really cute. This is the second cardigan. I think it looks so amazing. It's blue, it's cropped, and I am aware that these two blues don't go together. I'm not going to style the pieces in this video, so if you want to see me style them, make sure to follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. And also I'll be posting a couple of shorts on here, so make sure you're subscribed and you'll see how I style everything. So this is the second cardigan. I'm obsessed. It's about to be my favorite. So you can wear it like this without buttoning up, or you can just button up one like so, or you can just button everything. I think this is about to be my style. I love this so much. The third one is this really pretty white cardigan. It's furry, it's so cute, and I think it goes so well with this dress. I don't know, tell me what you think in the comments. I love this so much. Well, you can button it as well. It has buttons and it's so cute. I think if you're taller, this would have fit you as a bolero, but I'm really short, so it fits like a nicely cropped sweater. Really amazing. I love this so much. Now the last cardigan is this mint green cardigan. It looks so amazing. It's not as long as the first one, as you can see, but it's long and I love it so much. Imagine now this is paired with like a pair of jeans, a white tee. Amazing. I also think it goes with this blue. I don't know, tell me what you think. While at it, I also got some t-shirts. Now, I'm not going to wear this. I'm just going to show you. The first one is this dusty pink Reebok t-shirt. It's really cute. It's 100% cotton. It's a size large. And this is how it looks on me. Really nice and oversized. I also got a green one. I know it's really bright, but it's really cute. For me, I think it's cute. It's also 100% cotton and I love it so much. That's it from the first place I went. Now to the second place, I also got something that is not going to be flipped. So let me first show you that. This is the first item from the second place, and it's this really cute black bodycon dress. It feels so amazing, and this is how it looks. I think it looks amazing. I'm just imagining this with like the pink long cardigan or like the mint green. Honestly, it looks so cute, and then like black boots or like black heels. Really classy, right? You see what I was talking about? This looks so chic, so relaxed, so put together, but with like minimal effort. Love it. This is a more casual look, and I think it looks so cute. Now pair this outfit with like white sneakers and carry like a black or white bag. Amazing. I love it. And now let's get to the next thing. Now I'm just going to have this outfit on as we move. So the other thing is this piece right here. It's maroon and it's not that long. So this is how big it is. I've just folded it in half and I'm thinking I can get a trouser out of this and maybe not hair accessories. So I think this is long enough to fit a trouser and wide enough as well to fit a trouser. I have no idea what this was. I got this for 75 Kenyan shillings. The other thing is this really beautiful dusty purple, or should I call it pastel purple? I'm not sure. It's a tablecloth, it's a round tablecloth, and I have like an inspo on a round dress. Is it a round dress or a round skirt? It's a round wrapped skirt, so I think this will work perfectly. Given that I have the inspo in like a bright pink or like a bright red, I have both, but I think this would suit me better. And I think I can get a matching top out of this so that I can look like a dress, but it's really a skirt and I can wear them separately. It's like a really heavy fabric. I love it so much. The only issue is that it's torn at this point, but I can get rid of that as I'm sewing. I also got this for 100 bob. Yeah. I have this cute baby coat cover. I think it's a baby coat cover. Yeah, it's a baby coat cover. It looks really cute. I only loved it because of the print, and now I have it. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. So let me know what I can do with this. I was thinking maybe a dress, but that white on a dress, not entirely sure. I was thinking of a top, but then where would I wear that top? So let me know the ideas that you can give me on this really beautiful print. The next one is this beautiful maroon scarf, and I got it with a project in mind, and that is I'm making a blazer out of Ankara, or rather kitenge, and I think this would make a perfect lining since it has a touch of red. So this is what I'm going to use as the lining for that next project. It's coming really soon, so make sure you subscribe so that you learn how to make a really cute blazer that is a blazer dress. The next one is this really heavy denim. So this is how it looks. It's not entirely black, and I hate that it's not entirely black. The only reason I got it is because I can get black dye and dye it like pitch black, and I can use it to make like a denim trouser and like a denim jacket. Yeah, I'm really excited to make this. It's really big. Okay, not that big, but still really big. So this is it folded in half. It's really big. When I say it's really big, it's really big. The other item is this beautiful corset over here. It does not really fit me that well, but I got it so that I can adjust it so that it can fit me well, because I imagined this with like a white cargo pants that I already own, and I was like, chef's kiss. I imagined this with like white official trousers. Are they white or cream? Cream. And I was like, yes. I imagined this with like pink official trousers, and I was like, yes, that's a work outfit, right? So yeah, I want it to fit like this, like nice and perfect, and I want to like reduce the height. Not sure if I'm gonna make it, but we try, right? So I'm just going to do like a minimal thrift flip whereby I'm going to adjust at the side seams because it's a bit big, and then I'm going to cut off at the bottom because again, it's really, really long. Sometimes I usually say I have a really, really small torso and it makes me miss out on stuff because this is supposed to get to this point. As it's like that, it's supposed to get to this point, but to me, it gets to my hips. Anyway, I'm not complaining that much because I get a lot of clothes from the kids section and it works out for me. So the last item, not really the last item, but the last clothing item I got is this skirt that doesn't actually fit, but look at this print. It is really, really cute and I could not just leave it behind. It's so pretty. So I got this so that I can flip this into like a nice milkmaid top. And I think it will look really, really cute. I saw another milkmaid top at the thrift store and I was like, this would look so good on me. But then I wore it and it was really, really big and it was just not giving. So I want to make a version of that I had in mind when I saw that with this skirt right here. And I'm really, really excited to do that. It will be like a really, really short video. So it will come on my shorts and on my other social medias. Now that is every clothing item that I got from this clothing thrift haul. Now for the grand finale, drum roll!
Breaking news.
I got a pair of shoes. Now, this is what I got. I'm not sure if you can see. This is what I got. Really, really cute, really, really pretty. And it's a cute sling bag. It's not that much of a kitten heel, but it's really, really, really cute. And I thought of pairing this with like the dress I was wearing earlier and also a black trouser with like a really, really cute top. I also thought of pairing this with an all pink outfit because I wear that a lot. So yeah, I love these shoes so much, and they were going for like 100 Kenyan shillings. So yeah, that's a steal. The only issue with them is that I need to have like some glue around this area right here for both heels. Other than that, perfect condition, and they look so cute. Again, they're just a teensy bit big. They're number 38 and I wear number 37, but that won't limit me from slaying, okay? So yeah, that is everything that I got from this entire thrifting exercise. I'm really, really happy that I got to do this video. I shy away from making these types of videos because I do not always vlog when I'm thrifting, but I want to get into that more. So if you loved this video, please let me know in the comment section and also subscribe so that I know you want more of these kinds of videos. Also make sure to subscribe so that you can see everything that I make, from all these bed sheets, all these other items that I want to flip, because that is coming up really, really soon and I'm excited for you to see that. Also make sure to follow me on my other social medias. The handles are on the screen and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!